Litigation-backed credit repair. If you're struggling with inaccuracies on your credit report that just won't budge, it's time to consider a powerful solution. Traditional methods of disputing errors might not always be effective. That's where our unique approach comes in, combining legal expertise with financial acumen to not just challenge errors, but to enforce your rights as a consumer. Introducing a revolutionary service that could redefine your financial future. Litigation-backed credit repair, brought to you by Guaranteed Financial Solutions. Our comprehensive service includes credit audit, certified and priority mailing, inquiry targeting, cease and desist letters, credit improvement plan, handling of collections, charge-offs, repossessions, and even bankruptcy issues, credit monitoring, dispute inaccuracies, financial education resources, legal intervention for credit disputes, customized litigation strategy, and ongoing support and updates. Visit our website or call us today to get started. We don't just repair your credit, we ensure it reflects your true financial journey.